Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Symfony. So in this video we will learn about the master page. But first, what is the master page? So for example, if we go to a website, we see that the section or the body is one who changed and the header and footer remain the same. So it's the same idea as a master page. So to create a master page, let's go, for example, let's firm this. Let's go to view, click on it and add a new file. I will name it, for example, base.html.twig and save it. Now I will use an HTML5. it will generate the body of HTML5. I will change, I don't know why the image don't work with HTML2, so I will just go to normal HTML, generate HTML5 and then go back again to HTML2. Save. So here in the body, let's create a content. So we will use the twig, so we will say the name block and let's name it content. And after that we need to close this block that we just created. So and block. Let's save. So this is basically how you create a dynamic section or a dynamic block or content. So if I want to for example use another, so let's just copy and paste and change the name to footer, for example. You can name it as you want. So now basically this is our master page. So basically in the other HTML2 we will just extend from this master page. So now let's see how we can extend this. So let's go to our twig. Now I will delete this. I will just add this style, add it in here, title, save, and now I will delete all of that. So delete and delete. So now I will extend them from our master page. So to do that, let's use tools and with the name extend. So extend and the name of our master page and the name starting from the bundle. So block bundle, and then the name of it, and in this case it's base.html.twig. So now what I did with this sentence or with this instruction is that I extend the body of HTML. And now if I want to use, for example, this division, I want to use it here as a content. So to do that, let's just go here and use open those and block content. And since we open a blog, we need to close it. So if we go back and to close this with the instruction block and the block and block. So now let's save and go back to navigator and refresh. So if we refresh, we will see the same output. Yeah. And how to make sure that this is the same and same output, so we can go and inspect the element and we will see the same thing, or we can change in the master page and see. So see here we have document as title. So if we go here, to our master page, let's change that to master page. Let's save it and let's go to HTML. And now if we extend from this master page here, we need to see master page and not document. So, and here it is, master page. That means that we extend from our base.html.twig. So now how about if I want to, for example, to say something in here in our master page and to see it, for example, in output. So let's just add an h1 and here say, hey, I'm in the master page. So now if we leave it like this and we go back to our navigation, we refresh, we will not find the h1. Why is that? Because as we see, this is a dynamic section or a dynamic block. So basically what happened is that here we tell him that put this code in content code. So what he did, he put this code, copy it and go to here and paste it in here, but he will delete everything that in between this block, and he will just put this and delete everything that's in here. So if we want to tell him to not delete this and show it to us also in the navigator, we need to go here and use an instruction called parent. So parent, it's a function. So if we save it, now we will see this h1. So basically we tell him to not delete what's in the parent or what's between those two block. So if we go back, refresh, let me just move this to the first. So quickly go here, where's the condition? Yeah, first, save, now refresh. Now we will see the title first, h1. So hey, I'm in the master page, then the other division. So now how about if I want to create, for example, just one master page and to use it in every bundle we have. So we will use it in blog, site, stock, and also test bundle. So basically we just created as we do in here, and here, for example, in our twig we will just use this first blog of the bundle, name of the bundle where the master page is, and her name after that. So just by using this in the other bundle it will work. But with Symfony it has a different philosophy, or another philosophy that say, since we want to use like something that don't change, so why not use it in our default bundle. So and in this default bundle is here, or in the bundle that's created with the project, and the views of this bundle, they are in app. So app, resources, and here we see the base.html.twig or the bundle page. So now if we want to extend from this base HTML.twig or from this master page, we just go here and delete that. So now in Symfony we'll see that we didn't put the name of the bundle and we just put this like 4 dots. He know that we will, or that we are speaking with the main bundle, app bundle, and with his master page. So if I leave it like this, here the body, so I need to change this to body. So content body, and here also, yeah, and the blog. So let's go and refresh, and it shows us that it's work. Why the output is different? Because in this base HTML we don't have so let's just close this. So in this base.html.twig of Symfony we don't have the style. That's why it's look like this. So now, and also here with title welcome, if we go here we see welcome. That's mean now we're extending from this base and not from the one that we created. Now how about if I want to declare or to put another twig and to name it here in the base in our master page? So to do this, let's create here, for example, a new folder. So I will name it, for example, partial, and inside this partial let's create a new file. Let's name it, for example, header dot html.twig. So if we go on it, I will change here to just HTML so that I can use the image. So let's use that h1 header page, and let's use for paragraph with lorem with, for example, 200 page or 200 name. So let's save it, and let's go back to our master page, and here let's tell it about our new page .html.twig. So to do that we need to put this and use the include. So include, and first name of the bundle, it's blog bundle, I think. So blog bundle, do that, it's in new folder, name partial, and the name of it, it's header.html.twig. so let's save. Let's go to our navigator and see, and here we see the header, h1, and paragraph that we create in this page. So now the master page know it, and it show it to us as an output. To more understand this, let's create another file also in the same folder that we just create, partial, and let's name it, for example, show.html.twig. So if we hit enter, first we need to extend, and to do that, to extend from the master page. To do that we need, so I will just copy it because I have it in here. Yeah, this is the one, so copy and paste. Since we want to extend from the app bundle or the main master page, we can leave this as we can delete them and create and leave it just like that. So, and we want to write in this content the body block. So I will copy this, go here and paste them, and here it generates also a header with a paragraph. So I will change this to HTML just for the image, and here h1, and let's make it show page, and here with a paragraph, and let's use also lorem with 100 name. So let's go back. Let's again change here to HTML.twig. So HTML with twig, let's save. Now let's go to our controller. Let's go to our controller and let's create a new function. So public function, and let's name it show. And since we want us to like return to us a twig, we need to add the action. So show action and return let's use the render, this render, and the name we use us here the name of the bundle. Then it's like the path of HTML that we want to see. So it's also in blog bundle. So blog bundle in partial, so partial, and then the name of it, it's show.html.twig. So semicolon here, and since we use action, we need arrow. So I will just copy and paste this. So this, and let's get it about post/show. So now let's save. Let's go back to our code. Let's add show button, hit enter. Now everything is saved in here, and see now with the show or this new page of show page, but the other list, we didn't see them, the list with article. So now I think this is all for this video. In the next video we will have the exercise. Don't worry, we will solve it together, but it will be our first exercise in Symfony. So see you soon, or see you next.